Around here, though, it's starting to look and feel a lot more like the holiday season with a little bit of snow on the grass, Eric.
That's right, and we're not out of the woods yet. As a matter of fact, we have a winter weather advisory in effect for Dunn County, Pepin County, towards Buffalo County, Wabasha County. This goes into effect until the top of the hour. So here's the basically the main story right here. The timing for this is going to be now. Going into Wednesday, we're going to get a little bit of a break, and then by tomorrow and Wednesday, another round will push its way through. The main impacts for Tuesday and Wednesday, wet and slick roadways, as well as low visibility and accumulation. Some places between 1 to 2, maybe locally 3 inches. Not out of the question. So this is something that we're going to keep an eye on, and make sure you have that free News 8000 First Alert weather app on your device. To receive the latest information, you'll get the real-time forecast. We're going to post videos throughout the next several days. You'll have the 8-day, the hour-by-hour, as well as current conditions for your area. And should we go under any type of watch or warning or advisory, you'll be the first to know as well. Again, that's the free app on the app and Play Store. Outside right now, we have cloudy skies. Look at the temperature out there. We're seeing temperatures in the 20s and 30s. To be exact, we're at 35 degrees. But with the wind out of the southeast at 13 miles per hour, it feels like 26. Our dew point is sitting at 23. So the radar scan, you can see we have this dry slot from Winona to La Crosse across portions of Crawford County, but everywhere else you go towards Black River Falls, Eau Claire, over towards portions of Winneshiek County, seeing a little bit of snow. Now the northern communities, your snow chances are going to stay in the forecast for a little bit. The southern communities, I think we're going to be done for the most part until we get into tomorrow morning, because that right there, this is our main player. It's in the form of a low pressure system. Matter of fact, we'll go ahead and put the big old well right there. What's going to happen is this is going to push its way up and over as we go into the overnight hours into your Tuesday. So the southern zones will see the snow first for tomorrow, and then it'll push its way to the north, and we'll time that out in just a couple seconds. So when you wake up in the morning, temperatures in the 20s and 30s will greet you, or it feels like temperature will be in the upper teens to low 20s. Here's how tomorrow plays out. Here's 5 a.m. from Volk Field to, let's say, the Preston area. You'll start to see the snow first. As we go into the 8 o'clock hour, almost everybody in the News 8 Now viewing area will be seeing snow accumulation, with the exception of the extreme northern portion over towards Rusk County through portions of, let's say, Dunn County. And then by noon, everybody's seeing snow at that time. This is going to continue throughout the afternoon and early evening hours going into your overnight hours on Wednesday. There's 5 a.m. Everybody's going to continue to see snow, and then by the noon hour going into about the 5 o'clock hour, from La Crosse to Volk Field will be done, but from Eau Claire through Preston to Decorah, your snow chance is going to continue to linger. Highs for Tuesday will go into the 30s, mid-30s over towards La Crosse, as well as Sparta. Eau Claire, you'll make it to 34. Decorah, you will make it to 33. How much snow can we expect? Well, here's the latest guidance. Right now, my thinking is going to be 1 to 2 inches. This is until tomorrow, but when we add Wednesday, when it's all said and done, some places could see as much as, like I said, 1 to 3. I think the 4 inches is a little excessive. I'm just going to say that right now. I think the majority of us are going to stay within that 1 to 2, locally 3-inch threshold. So let's go ahead and take a look here at the forecast as we go to the second half of the work week. We're going to get colder. You see this Arctic blast that's going to push its way through? We will drop the temperatures for Thursday, Friday, and going into the first half of the weekend. Matter of fact, Friday, look at that high of 19 degrees with a chilly overnight low of 9. We go to 21 Saturday, overnight low of 5, 23 for Sunday. So again, highs will be in the teens. That feels like temperature will be in the single digits. Overnight, that wind chill will get below 0. So the bottom line, bundle up this weekend.
All right. Thank you, Eric.
You bet.